This is our fourth lecture on article angle and its measurement. And the objective of this lecture is to find angle between hour hand and minute hand in a clock. Let us see the relation between, before this finding angle between hour hand and minute hand, we will find the relation between angle and time in a clock. First, the relation between angle and time in a clock. For that, let us take first minute hand. Here, for one rotation, here R means rotation. So one rotation is equal to, whenever minute hand rotates through or completes one complete circle, suppose this is a clock. In this clock, whenever this minute hand it completes one rotation, 60 minutes are completed. So in 1 minute, the degree will be obviously 360 degree, because in one rotation is nothing but 360 degree, and one rotation is nothing but 60 minutes. Or I will write here this minute, time minute, not angle minute. So one rotation is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, 60 minutes equal to 360 degree. That is the important relation we get here. And from this, we can write 1 minute is equal to 360 upon 60, that is, once again, 66 degree. So this is the important relation between minute hand and degree. Okay, this is about minute hand. Let us see about hour hand. In case of hour hand, once again, one rotation of hour hand, it covers 360 degree. So once again we get one rotation is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Also, whenever hour hand completes one rotation, in one rotation, the hour hand this red is hour hand. When hour hand completes one rotation, obviously in one rotation there will be 1 hour. In one rotation it will cover 12 hours. One rotation means 12 hours. So therefore, from this we can write 12 hours equal to 360 degree. So 12 hours equal to 360 degree. Is it okay? Like this, in 60 minutes 360 degree. Here in 12 hours we get 360 degree. Therefore, 1 hour is equal to 360 upon 12, that is 30 degree. That is the important relation for us. So remember this one also. In 1 minute we have 6 degree angle. When minute hand completes 1 minute, it rotates through 60 degree. When our hand completes 1 hour, then there will be a rotation of 30 degree in that hour end. Also from this let us find 1 minute. 1 hour is nothing but, that is 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes. So 1 hour implies 60 minutes and that is equal to 30 degree. Therefore 1 minute equal to 30 upon 60, that is equal to half degree. So 1 minute is equal to half degree. Therefore 1 minute is equal to half degree. So that is also important for us to find angle between minute hand and hour hand. So remember these important relations. Let us see one example. Find the angle between minute hand and hour hand in a clock at a 10 past 11. Let us draw the figure for this. Here 10 past 11, 12, 9, 6, 3. 10 past 11 means the minute hand will be at 10. So here it will be minute hand and the hour hand will be after 11, means it is between 11 and 12. Okay, so this will be the figure for this. Then obviously in this case these two angle, whenever hour hand covers, minute hand covers 30 1 hour, then it covers in 5 minutes it cover 30 degree. So this will be 30, this will be 30, 60, or angle between these 2 hours is 30 degree. So 30 plus 30, so it will be, this angle will be more than 60 degree. Solution. At this time, at the given time, the angle between minute and hour hand is more than 60 degree. Is it clear? First find this number. This angle, this will be 60 degree because minute hand covers these 2 parts. So angle will be more than 60 degree. Again, here hour hand covers 10 minutes because 10 past. So this will be 10 minutes. So during this, or we can write here instead of more than, you can use less than also. Here I will use less than 90 degree. So it is less by this 10 minutes. So hour hand covers half degree in 1 minute. rotates through 1 degree, less than 90. Here, our hand completes 10 minutes after 11 o'clock. Therefore, it rotates in 10 minutes equal to 10 into half degree, that is 5 degree. It rotates through 5 degree angle. Is it okay? So this one is 90 degree angle and this is only 5 degree. Therefore, angle between minute and hour hand is equal to 90 degree minus 5, that will be 85 degree. That is our final answer. So this is the way to write answer. So first we have to find how much amount of rotation is there between those two hour hand and minute hand at that time. It is either less or more near to that angle. Let us see second example. 20 past 7. Second one, 20 past 7. At the given time, the angle between minute and hour hand is, let us first draw the figure for 20 past 7. So 20 past means minute hand will be at 20 minutes. 20 minutes means again 5, 10, 15, 20. So minute hand will be at this 4. So minute hand will be here. It will points at 4 and past 7 means after 7. So our hand will be between 7 and 8. Our hand will be between 7 and 8. Is it okay? So angle between these two hands is 30 plus 30 plus 30, 90. So it is more than 90. So here in this case the angle will be more than 90. At the given time or 20 past 7, the angle between minute and hour hand is more than 90 degree. Here our hand completes 10 minutes after 11 o'clock. Here 20 past 7. So let us change here. The hour hand, minute hand is at this 4 and hour hand completes 20 minutes. Instead of 10, 20 minutes after 7 o'clock. Okay. The hour hand completes 20 minutes after 7 o'clock. It rotates in 20 minutes through 10 degrees, 10-degree angle. Is it okay? So after 20 minutes it rotates through 10-degree angle. Therefore the angle between minute and hour hand will be 90 plus 10 degree, that is equal to 100 degree. This much is enough here. Once again, see 20 past 7 means the time will be 7:20. So our end is after 7, it is between 7 and 8, and this 20 minutes means minute hand will be at 4. Therefore, the angle between these two hands will be 30 plus 30 plus 30, 90, more than 90. So it is more than 9. And the hour hand completes 20 minutes after 7 o'clock. So it rotates in 20 minutes through 10-degree angle. Therefore, angle between these two hands will be 90 plus 10, that is equal to 100. Let us see next one, third. Example number 3. "35 past 1. So past 1 means after 1 o'clock the minute hand will be at 35 minutes. So these are 15, 20 and 25, 30, 35. So the minute hand will be at 7. 35 means minute hand will be at 7 o'clock. And the hour hand will be between, past 1 means after 1, so it will be between 1 and 2. Okay, so the time is 1:35 AM or PM. So at 1:35, the angle between minute hand and hour hand, it is after 1 means, let us start with 2. 2 to 3, 30 degree. Then again this 30, 30, 30, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 30 is 150. So angle between, at this time the angle between minute hand and hour hand is more than 150 degree. Okay. So here hour hand completes, now this is 150. Again here hour hand completes 35 minutes. Means remaining 25 minutes to reach up to 2. So here our hand completes 20 minutes or 25 minutes. Why 25 minutes? Because it already covered 35 minutes. Here it covered 35 minutes. So remain only 20 minutes, because in 1 hour it will cover 60 minutes. Our end. So 35 minutes are already covered, remains only 25. So here our hand completes 25 minutes after 1 o'clock. It rotates in for 35 minutes. In 25 minutes before 2 o'clock. I will write it instead of after, what? Before 2 o'clock. The hour hand will complete 25 minutes here. Before 2 o'clock, it rotates in 25 minutes through 25 into half degree. That will be 25 by 2, that is 12.5 degree angle. Okay, so the angle between mid and our hand will be this 150 plus this, so it will be 150 degree plus 12.5 degree, that will be 162.5 degree. Is it okay? This angle will be 30, 30, 30, 30, so 150. So 150 plus 12.5 degree, it will be 162.5 degree. Let us see the next one. Example number 4. Example number D, quarter to 6. Quarter to 6. Let us see the position of mid hand and hour hand when the time is quarter to 6. Quarter to 6 means 15 minutes less for 6. So minute hand will be at 9 and hour hand is before 6, because it is to 6 means less. So this is 5:45. This time is nothing but 5:45, either AM or PM. So at this stage, at this given time, the angle between mid and hour hand will be obviously more than 90. 30 plus 30 plus 30, so 90. It is more than 90 degree. Here, hour hand completes 25 minutes before 6, or you can write it is less than 30, 30, 120 also. Let us use that method of less. It is less than 120 degree. So here less by 15 is 45 minutes are there here. So here hour hand completes 45 minutes after 5 o'clock. So it rotates in 45 minutes through 45 into half degree, that will be 22.5 degree. So let us subtract that one from this 120 degree. So 120 degree minus 22.5 degree, and this will be 97.5. So the angle will be 97.5. Otherwise, within this 15 minutes, we get angle of 7.5. So 90 plus 7.5, it will be 97.5. That way also we get the same answer. Okay? Is it okay? Let us see one more. E, that is 220. The relative time is given 220. So at this time, let us draw the figure for this. Once again, 220 means minute hand is at 20, means it is at 4. In 20 minutes, minute hand will reach up to 4. So this is minute hand, and this is past 20. So our hand will be between 2 and 3. So this is the position at time 220. So at this time, if you observe, then the angle will be less than 60 degree, because these two angles or hands are between 2 and 4. So this angle is less than 60 degree. So at the given time, the angle between mid and our hand is less than 60 degree. Okay, then here, now this hour hand rotated through, or it completes 20 minutes. Hour hand completes 20 minutes after 2 o'clock. Therefore, it rotates in 20 minutes through angle of 10 degree through 20 into half degree, that is equal to 10 degree angle. Therefore, angle between mid and our hand will be how much? This 60 minus 10. It will be 60 degree minus 10 degree, and that is equal to 50 degree. So the angle between minute hand and hour hand at 220 is 50 degree. Next one. Example number F. Studies at 10 hour and 10 minutes. At 10:10, we have to find the angle between minute hand and hour hand. At this time, the minute hand will be at, it covers 10 minutes, means it will be at 2 o'clock. So at this time, the minute hand will point 2 o'clock, and the hour hand is between 10 and 11, because there are 10 minutes after 10. So hour hand, we denote this position. After 10 minutes, our hand will be between 10 and 11. So, if you see the numbers, then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, less than 4 hours between these two minute hand and hour hand. So, at the given time, the angle between minute hand and hour hand is less than 4 into 30, that will be 120 degree. The angle between minute hand and hour hand is less than 120 degree. If this hour hand will be, if it points 10, then the angle will be 120, but it is not possible. Here, hour hand completes how many minutes? 10 minutes. After 10 o'clock, it rotates in 10 minutes through 10 into half, that is 5 degree angle. Only 5 degree rotation is there. Here rotation is 5 degree, so it is less by 5 from 120. So the answer will be, so the angle between minute and hour hand is 120 minus 5 degree, and it is equal to 115 degree. So at 10:10, the angle between minute hand and hour hand is 115 degrees. Okay. So all these examples are very much similar. At any time you can find angle between minute hand and hour hand. Okay.